So we are doing an unboxing of the Surprise and Shine collection, which is a new Canadian-based subscription box that is aimed at girls ages 5 to 12. And it's supposed to be full of handmade goodies with over $100 value inside there. So we're kind of excited to open up this box and find out what's in there. You want to go ahead and open it?
It's a unicorn bag tag.
A unicorn bag tag? What else do we have?
These are pins, an embroidered unicorn fabric.
Am I sensing a unicorn theme?
And a unicorn necklace. A bubble bomb. A unicorn stuffy.
Can you turn it so I can see it?
A glittery bow. Some Surprise and Shine. Some stickers. A card and some stickers. And that's it.
A lot of pink confetti.
Maybe that's a lot of confetti. Can we check out the stickers?
Well, hold on. Let me take a look at everything. Very cool. And what did you girls think of that? Is that a cool assortment of stuff?
Cool.
Whoa, one at a time.
I thought it was really cool. It's amazing. Can we open everything?
Is it a cool assortment of stuff?
Yes.
Would you be excited to get that in the mail as a gift?
Yeah.